Hi, I'm Jake from TradeLab.ai, and today we're going to go through a quick tutorial on how to set up a basic buy and sell strategy on TradingView, and we're going to make it hedge. So we're going to set it up separately between a long and a short strategy. We're going to run them at the same time so that they can both open at the same time and hedge against each other. Okay, so let's start by going to the donut template. So this is our donut template. We have another video, looks like this, and that video shows you how to set this up for a regular, buy and sell. That will do buy and sell in one strategy, a combo strategy, right? So this is a combo strategy that's meant to do buy and sell in one. We want to split it apart today to make it do hedge mode. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I'll hit copy. I'll hit yes. All right. So we can see that we have the combo template copied, and if I hit edit, it'll bring us into the strategy setup. So to run through the strategy setup very quickly, we'll hit do it now. We'll set up the exchange and the symbol, and then we'll click continue, and we'll have a buy and a sell alert presented to us. Okay, this is as simple as you can get. So it's going to click on buy, and it's going to give us a buy alert. So if we click on this and go to TradingView, we can set up some sort of strategy, some sort of indicator. We can have our indicator either do a higher high or a lower low, or we can use some sort of pre-built alert for it, whatever we want to do. When you decide how you want to send your alert, then all you need to do is come to the generic TradingView template, go to the alert setup. It'll give you the buy and sell alert, and then you come into here, you'll copy that, you'll paste it, and you'll type in buy, higher high, lower low. You'll probably want to do once per bar, close. And we'll also want to make sure that we click on the webhook and paste in the webhook into here. Okay, so that's how you set this up. We'll click create. You would want to do the same thing, click back and do the same thing for the sell alert, right? So you would come into here very quickly, set up what you want. You would click on this, you would paste it, you would name it. Make sure that you have your webhook copied as well. That's always a good idea to copy this. It'll save it, so you probably don't need to, but always a good idea. If it gives you a option, either do every time or once per bar close, whatever you're selecting, and then hit create. So now you're good to go there. You have your alerts set up, and if you need a shorter refresher on that, you can go look at the other video. Okay, I know I went through that quickly. So once that's set up, here are the steps to set up the hedge mode. Okay, so what we want to do is split this one combo template into two templates. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to name this my long template, and I'm going to make sure that my side is set to long. Okay, then I'm going to hit save and exit, and I'm going to clone this. I'm going to hit yes, and now I have two of the longs. So if I hit edit on the copy, I'm going to change this copy to say short, and now I'm going to edit the side, this drop down, and make sure that it says short. If you don't do this, you'll have two longs. Okay, so make sure that you change this side to short, or sell short, right? And then from there, we need to make sure that each of these only run the rules for the side that they're on. Okay, so for example, we would, for the short, we're in the short right now, we would delete the long. So we have 4 alerts. We're going to delete 2 of them. We're going to delete the long enter alert, and we're going to delete the long exit alert because we're in the short right now, right? So we don't need the long. Okay, so we're going to hit save and exit. So now we have a short and it's ready to go. You'll also probably have to hit edit and hit activate. If you hit active right there and hit save and exit, now we can see that it's looking for entry. Okay, so there we go, looking for entry, good to go for the short. For the long, I just need to edit it one more time. And we already have the side set up and it's named correctly, but we need to make sure that we delete the short rules, right? So we have 4 rules. We're going to delete 2. We're going to delete the short enter and the short exit. Okay, now we just have long enter and long exit inside of our long strategy. Okay, we're going to hit save and exit. And that is all we need to do for the strategies. Now we have a long and a short strategy, and they're running at the same time. Okay, now if we want them to be able to enter separate positions at the same time, which means hedge mode needs to be turned on the exchange, we can do that by going to the settings screen right here, settings, and then we can go to risk management, and we need to check the hedge mode box right here, hedge mode. So if this is turned on, this will allow you to open up buy and sell positions at the same time on your exchange for a single symbol. Okay, so you can hedge against yourself. So this is the recommended way to hedge. We turn this on and we make 2 separate strategies. Okay. Oh, you know what? Go to settings, go to risk management, hit hedge mode, and you got to hit the save button. Okay. So after you click the hedge mode button, hit the save button. I need to make that better. I know. Okay, but make sure when you hit the checkbox for hedge mode, you hit the save, and now we should be good to go. If I go back into settings, we can see that it's saved. Okay, so there's that. And like I said, have the separate buy and long, the short and long, and they'll hedge against each other. They're both looking for entry, so that means we're good to go. We're ready. We have our alerts already set up in TradingView, and we should be good to go. If you want a tutorial on how to test this, you can send test alerts. We do have other videos on that, and we can cover that if we need to. And that should be it. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and have a good time. All right, so that's it.